let's put some spars in, roof rafters, whatever you want to call them. But what I plan on doing here, I've already pre-cut these to the length. And I got my, you should be able to see up on the top, I have my, that bar going across. It's a pipe clamp. You can see it right there on the side where I tighten it up. So keep a little tension on the sides while I put these up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little dab of glue on each end of this, and I'm going to shoot it in with 2-inch finishing nails. And then after I get them all in, I'll come back and I'll Craig in some screws into the sides. Let's get a couple of these done. Let's see what we can get done. I'll try to dab it a little bit because an end grain might soak up some more paint, more glue than what you put on there. So go ahead and put a little bit more on. You can see I've already put a coat of polyurethane on the inside. I saved y'all painted misery and watching me roll that on. Yeah. So some of these boards are twisted. So what you want to do is find the kind of a happy medium. See on this one, but you probably cannot see. This board's twisted kind of like this. So this corner is flush, that one's not. That corner's flush. This bottom corner down here is flush. Get you a happy medium, and shoot some nails in it or screw it in, whichever you want to do. Last one, I just put screws in it. The clamp is doing nothing more than just holding my board. It's giving me a shelf to set my 1x3 on. And you can use 1x2s or whatever you want to use, but I'm using 1x3s because it's just kind of what I wanted to do. And again, I already pre-drilled all these for the wiring. Let's kind of pre-fit it and see what we're going to be. Got a pencil mark there, just center it up. Get it there, so pop this out, put a little glue on it. This tight bond is good stuff. I'm not a representative for them or anything like that, but I do like their product. Been using it a long time. Move my pipe a little bit. Pipe clamp. Give it a hard push and scoot it down there all at once. I know it's going to do is come down too far. I have to start over. Just a little bit more. That should look good and fast forward, huh? Should be funny and fast forward. Let's come on a little further down. Got a little bit of warp in the wood here. So this was nice and flush. This one not so much. Okay, what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and move this on to here because that one's a little bit swirly. That's always the issue there. If I was doing this and holding the camera too, that would be impressive. Alright, so there it is. This is for my tapping board. That'll do it. And I'm going to come back and cut this so I can put my air conditioner right here. Right now I just want to get it framed up. Nothing's heavy. It is heavy. If that falls and scares the crap out of me, I'm going to squeal. Alright, get a little glue on here. This has a floodlight running right past me. That's why I'm running out of battery so fast. I know you're saying that's such a minor thing, being that sliver of a paper thickness off, but if you can get it as perfect as you can, each time you go, when you get done, you'll have a more perfect camper. And you'll be have a lot less headaches putting stuff in it or building things around it or making changes, because it's not going to be out square. Believe me, it's easy to get out of square with one of these real quick, and that's pretty aggravating. Alright, that's it for now. So I'll save this for a short video. You can see right about here, that unfinished spot. That's because I'm going to cut the door out right there. Yeah. And I had written on that, I had got some numbers written on there, so I didn't want to seal them in, because I could still send those numbers off and that still be a usable piece of plywood for something else. epoxy on the side. Okay, thank y'all for watching. 5x10 teardrop.